Leeds International School, Primary 5, Second Term, English Literature, Lesson number 41, Before the Hunt. Objectives: a poem to learn about the forest. Learn poetic techniques. Right. In this poem, if we see from the top, we can see this is a poem about a cat, a small wild cat. It means like cheetah or a leopard going through the forest, and how he feels in the forest, how the wind looks like, how trees look like. But there's a deep meaning on this poem. It is about Boundika. It means Boundika is a British queen who led a revolt against Rome. It means two cities were wrecked and robbed. Romans and their allies were killed, and the island Britain was lost to the Romans. What was worse was that a woman did this, something we should be deeply ashamed of. This woman was Boundika, a Briton of royal family. The rebels thought that she was their strongest leader. She was much more intelligent than women usually are. She was very tall. She looked terrifying with a fierce glint in her eye. Her voice was harsh. A great mass of startling, bright yellowish red hair hinged down to her hip. Around her neck, she had a huge toku of gold. She wore a dress of many colors with a thin cloak over it pinned together with a brooch. This was how she normally dressed. She had gathered together an army of about 120,000 men against Rome, but finally she lost the war and Rome won this war. This is the story in the Before the Hunt. Before the Hunt by Larry Williams. Larry Williams is an actor, poet and playwright. Larry Williams in the 1970s. Larry Williams studied journalism at the London School of Journalism and then went on to develop his interest in drama at Marley College and Mount View Theatre School, London, and then the University of Lower in America. Some of Williams' published works include plays like Blackcurrant, Storm Baby, Colonut Junction, and Heartlines. For the Hunt by Larry Williams. Holy wind, hear me. Dancing trees, hail me. Cooling breeze, calm me. Guiding sky, light my way through the bush. Right, now we'll see the difficult words of the year. Howling. Howling means blowing hard and making a lot of noise. And cooling breeze a light cool wind. The air that blows your hair around and rustles the leaves is one kind of breeze. In this poem, we can learn about personification. The attribution of a person, nature, or human characteristics to something non-human, or the representation of an abstract quality in human form. Simple definition of personification is using verb to show life in non-living object in poetry. Examples: howling wind, dancing trees, cooling breeze, guiding sky. Objectives: a poem to learn about the forest. Learn poetic techniques. We'll see the third stanza. Living forest, hear me, chilling wind, still my heart. Teasing shadows, smile with me, lead me to my hunt. Right, now we'll see what are the difficult words in this stanza. Chilling, horrifying or frightening. Teasing, intended to provoke or make fun of someone in a playful way. Now we'll see some questions. Now we'll see the questions. The first one is, who is the writer of this poem? Who is the writer? Yes, the writer of this poem is Mr. Larry Williams. What are the objects the writer explained? What are the objects he explained? Yes, he explained about wind, he explained about trees, he explained about snares, etc. What is the theme of this poem? Here, there's two different themes. The main theme is this poem written to explain a queen which lost her battle with the Romans. And the other thing is, it's about a cat, a big cat going through the forest. Right. Now, fourth question. Find adjectives from the poem. Wind. What is the adjective for wind? What is the writer used to explain wind? He used howling wind. This means howling. He used howling as an adjective to explain, to describe wind. Shadows. What is the word he used to explain shadows? Teasing. Right. The adjective is teasing. Right, children. Now you can draw a nice picture of a forest. Right. How the wind is, how the trees are, what are the things the writer explains. So you can draw according to that. Right. Thank you.